Samsung Z Trifold. Samsung reveals Galaxy Z Trifold with 10-inch foldable screen, astronomical price. Samsung's long-awaited Trifold phone is launching in Korea this month, with a US launch early next year. Samsung has a new foldable smartphone, and it's not just another Z Flip or Z Fold. The Galaxy Z Trifold has 3 articulating sections that house a massive 10-inch tablet-style screen, along with a traditional smartphone screen on the outside. The lavish new smartphone is launching this month in South Korea with a hefty price tag, and it will eventually make its way to the US in early 2026. Samsung says it refined its Armor Flex hinge design for the Trifold. The device's 2 hinges are slightly different sizes because the phone's 3 panels have distinct shapes. The center panel is the thickest at 4.2 millimeters, and the other 2 are fractions of a millimeter thinner. The phone has apparently been designed to account for the varying sizes and weights, allowing the frame to fold up tight in a pocketable form factor. Huawei's impressive Mate X-T Trifold phones have been making the rounds online, but they're not available in Western markets. Samsung's new foldable looks similar at a glance, but the way the 3 panels fit together is different. The Mate X-T folds in a Z-shaped configuration, using part of the main screen as the cover display. On Samsung's phone, the left and right segments fold inward behind the separate cover screen. Samsung claims it has tested the design extensively to verify that the hinges will hold up to daily use for years. While this does push the definition of pocketable for some people, the Galaxy Z Trifold is a tablet that technically fits in your pocket. When folded, it measures 12.9 millimeters thick, which is much more unwieldy than the Galaxy Z Fold 7's 8.9 millimeter profile. However, the Trifold is only a little thicker than Samsung's older tablet-style foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The 1080p cover screen measures 6.5 inches, which is also quite similar to the Z Fold 7. It is very, very heavy for a phone though, tipping the scales at 309 grams. A flagship phone with more screen, the extra heft and hinge get you a much larger main display, clocking in at 10 inches and 2160 by 1584 pixels. The 120Hz foldable OLED can run 3 apps side by side in portrait orientation, and it supports the full version of Samsung DeX for a more PC-like interface without the need for an external monitor. However, you may not get much use per charge with the screen unfurled and running multiple apps. The device has a triple-cell battery system that comes out to 5,600 mAh, which is only a bit larger than batteries in smartphones that only have to power one small screen. On the inside, the Galaxy Z Trifold is essentially identical to Samsung's Z Fold 7. There's a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 512 gigabytes of storage, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. The camera setup looks unchanged from the Z Fold 7, helmed by the 200-megapixel sensor we see on most Samsung flagships today. It's backed up by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto. Like the smaller foldable, the camera module protrudes quite a lot from the back of the phone. Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Z Trifold in South Korea on December 12th, with other Asian markets following in the ensuing weeks. A US launch is on the agenda for the first quarter of 2026, but there's no pricing available yet. The Korean price will be 3,590,400 Korean won, which works out to a little shy of $2,500, or $500 higher than the Galaxy Z Fold 7. So expect something in that range if you want to get your hands on the Galaxy Z Trifold next year.